Hello friends, International Nurses Day is celebrated around the world every 12th May, the anniversary of Florence Nightingale birth. Do you know who Florence Nightingale was?
Florence Nightingale, known as the Lady with the Lamp, she was a British nurse, social improver, and best known as the founder of modern nursing.
Yes, she established St. Thomas Hospital and Nightingale Training School of Nurses in 1860. Florence Nightingale's most famous contribution came during the Crimean War, which became her central focus when reports got back to Britain about the horrific condition for the wounded at the military hospital. During the Crimean War, Nightingale gained the nickname the Lady with the Lamp. Her effort to improvement healthcare greatly influenced the quality of care in the 19th and 20th century. So, we celebrate the International Nurses Day in around the world every 12th May to mark the contributions that nurses make to society. International Council of Nurses celebrate this important day each year with the production and distribution of the International Nurses Day resources and evidence. International Council of Nurses operated by nurses and leading nursing internationally. International Council of Nurses work to ensure quality nursing care for all and sound health policies globally. International Council of Nurses chooses a theme each year to celebrate International Nurses Day. You know what is the theme of International Nurses Day for the 2021?
The theme for the 2021 is A Voice to Lead, a Vision for Future Healthcare.
In International Nurses Day 2021, we'll focus on the changes to and innovation in nursing and how these will ultimately shape the future of healthcare. The International Nurses Day 2021 theme reflects on the impact of COVID-19 on the health system and the nursing profession and how this might be affected into the future. Nursing as the largest healthcare profession must play an important part in planning the future healthcare. Every year, International Council of Nurses produce a range of resources to inform the public and support nurses. This includes a report, case studies, posters, videos, interviews, and social media banners and logos. International Council of Nurses is calling on nurses to share their stories in the form of a case study to be a part of International Nurses Day 2021. This global COVID-19 pandemic has shown the world the important role the nurses play in keeping people healthy across the lifespan. Every nurse was drawn to nursing because of a desire to care, to serve, or to help. One hospital cannot build without nurses, so nurses are the heart of the healthcare. Thanks to all the nurses and happy International Nurses Day 2021.